New Zealand need 2 runs to win this in 2 overs. Plenty of time, no issues with the time. It's all about getting this man out. And on this delivery.
Oh dear. And umpire Asenraza signals wide, so she's all level. Leg out, and Deepak could square. That's all. And done and dusted. Game over. And the New Zealanders take out the series. Yeah, they've hung in there and played the better cricket when it mattered. I think Rizwan will be holding his fingers there, but he'll be a little miffed with himself given that last delivery from Osama. And Osama